Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike here, bringing you the detailed unboxing of the best technology available, just like this one. On this channel I focus on detailed unboxings, in-depth reviews of the best technologies, and tutorials. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel right below. Okay, so what I have for you today are the Jaybird X3 Wireless Headphones. Really good price for them, available on Amazon, on sale right now. I'm going to leave the link to it right below the like button. Okay, so we'll get to the unboxing right now. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off the plastic. Plastic is off. A couple of things right off the bat with these headphones. They're 8 hours of playtime that they provide you. They're sweat and water resistance, and they apparently have a secure fit. So now with the secure fit, you got to keep in mind that not everybody's going to have a secure fit. It's the majority of the people. With the Jaybird app, which is available for Apple as well as Google. I'll leave a link for both these apps below the like button. Okay, so let me just... So just going to slide this off. Put this over here. Here we have the cardboard box. Okay. Next we're going to open it up. Power to your passion. Here you go, you have your headphones. We're going to just take this off for a second. Power to your passion, that's their slogan. Okay, we're going to take this off. Okay. And then what you get here are your quick start guides. It tells you how to turn it on. Power on, you can say these words to pair. Okay. So you have your safety guide. Now similar to Apple, you have your Jaybird stickers. You get a pouch. I think it's a pleather pouch. Okay. Alright, so in here you get your additional ear tips. You get a shirt clip as well as a cord clip available in here. Additional fit ear fins. And here you have the USB to micro USB charger for these ones. Okay, so all you have to do is grab the micro USB, plug it in here like this. Like so, and you'll have to clip this into your earbuds. This is what it looks like from the back, kind of like a sad face. Really good build quality, really good packaging too. Alright, so these are the earbuds. Here's the back part. And if you want to know what ear to put it in, if you look at the back, it'll say right here, either left, L for left, or R for right. Okay, plastic, silicone, take this off. You can change it up. And then your ear fins, you can take this off as well, if you want to. Just all you gotta do is pull it off. And then you can change your fins as well. Put it back on like this. Really simple and easy to do. Just slide it on top and you're good to go. And then the way I like to put these on is just to unfold it. So what you have is these. That's all. Okay. You have your volume rocker as well as a power on and off button. Here you get your charging cable. Alright, so to charge this, all you have to do is bring your headphones in. Okay, just match it with this black stopper pin and then the black pin over here. Just clip it in. Okay, and I'm just using a power bank. You can plug this into a wall if you like. Once you plug it in, turn it on, what you'll see is a red light. Now what that red light means is charging. Once it's charged, the red light will turn into a green light. One of the things I don't like about these headphones is you have to rely on this charger right here. You need to carry this adapter everywhere you go. It's not a simple plug and play like the other headphones, like these ones that I have. My Monster iVictories, I think that's what they're called, or iSports. All you have to do for this one is you just pop it open and you have a micro USB connection right here. So you can use any charger that has a micro USB. You don't need to have the proprietary pin adapter. Now comparing the Monster iSports to the Jaybird X3s, I'm getting about 4 hours of battery life on these ones. I'm expecting 8 hours of battery life with these headphones. Alright, so the overall build quality of these headphones are really nice. They're durable. I highly recommend to anybody who wants to use these for your office, as well as if you are going to the gym. Currently on sale on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below the like button, and I'll be doing an in-depth review of these headphones in the coming days. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.